Hello everybody and welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn about expanded widget. What is expanded widget? Let's go on the code and know more about that. I already created a project and it has a body and a container. So let's change the container to a column. Column widget which has a children. Inside we can create a card for now, a card widget which has a child of text inside, and I am card A, and let's save it, see the result. So now we have our card at the top of our column. Let's wrap the text widget with a center widget. So let's run again, and now it is in the center. Let's give our card a color, colors dot tail, and let's save it. Now we have our card here. So now let's copy our card and make two other card as well by putting comma here, and copy this card and paste it here and paste it again, and let's rename that the text with B, and the third one is C, and also let's change the color to indigo, and this one is amber. Let's save it. Now we have our three cards in our column, and now let's go and add expanded widget. What expanded widget does, it expand our card and container inside your column widget or row widget. So let's wrap our cards inside expanded widget by clicking here and wrap widget and type expanded widget. Also our second card, expanded widget, and the last one, expanded widget. So let's save and see. Now you can see that our card expand in our column. Card A, card B, and card C. So how we can resize these cards inside the column? The expanded widget has a property called flex. With flex property, you can type flex and give it a number 3, and let's see, we give our card A flex property. Now it takes more place in our column. Now we resize this card. Now we can add a flex property to card B and C also. So let's go and add flex of 2, and also we can add a flex of 5 to our C and save. And now we can see that the flex number is 5, so our card also take more place. The bigger flex, the bigger card or the bigger widget. Let's bring some more changes, like I put 2 and make it 4, and this one, the first one, also 2, and save it. Now the B has a bigger size than two other. So also we can change our column to row, and we can see how expanded widget looks and work on row wise. So by typing row and save, now we can see that our card widgets are in row wise. So let's make some changes to the flex. I'm putting 4 here and 2 here, and let's save it. Now we have the card A is bigger and these two are equal because the flags are equal, and we can give a flex of 5 to this and a flex of 2 to this, a flex of 3 to this one, and let's save it. Now we have card C took more place in our row, and now we can see that how we can resize our widgets by the expanded widget. I hope you learned something from this video, and don't forget to practice it, and see you guys on the next video.